Before, after.
I turned a worn-out cat scratcher into a tufting scratcher that my kitty absolutely loves. The yarn that holds up to scratching is called DuraTuft Yarn. DuraTuft Yarn is made of 100% BCF fibers, which makes it super durable with almost no shedding. See the difference? As you can tell, there's barely any shedding. That's why it's actually used in scratchers on the market. I'm going to use this yarn to create loops for the areas my kitty scratches the most. And for the rest, I'll add cut and air gun details to create some texture. Let's make it using only DuraTuft yarn. First, I'll section off the areas based on the technique I'm using. Then I'll pick the yarn colors. Next, I'll sketch out the design to match the scratcher size and divide the background into sections. I'll mark the folding areas with dotted lines and the cut and air gun details with this red pen. Now, I'll set the yarn in the yarn glide and thread it into the Tangle-to-Mare, ready to go. Let's start with the Hoffman part. Filling in the first Hoffman section, and in the second one. That's it for the air gun. Here's how it looks from the front. Next, I'll work on the cut gun details. Don't forget to do the carving before moving on. Carving done. Now onto the gradient cut work. I'll separate the sections first, starting with pink ivory and gradually darkening it. You can check out the how-to for gradient in the link above. Now I'll fill the background with loops. Since the folded areas will be opened up, I need to make the loops denser there. I'll fill the rest of the background with loops too. For the inward folds, the key is to keep the density low so they fold easily. Carefully adjusting the density for the folded areas while filling in the loops. Finally, I'm using the EasyTuft Gun to create longer loops for some extra texture. Ta-da! Tufting work is done. Now for the latex work. I'll spray on the spray glue, wait a little, and carefully attach the mesh. Next, I'll apply latex around the edges, then spread it evenly over the whole piece. Before removing the frame, I'll carve out the textured details. Once carving is done, I'll take it out of the frame. Now I'm trimming the backing fabric neatly. Time to glue the tufting piece to the scratcher base. I'll apply glue to every edge that touches the scratcher. To finish it off, I'll cover up the edges with some wool yarn. And that's it. A tufted scratcher is done.
And it.